Hello beautiful souls, this is Poonam Kaur and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to take you to a tour where I'm going to show you how they prepared you for the upcoming food crisis and how you should be dealing with that. Surprised? So come with me and check it out.
Kidman, and I am going to eat a 4-course meal of bugs. I am here to reveal my hidden talent, eating micro livestock cornworms. They're still alive. Extraordinary. Very moist, chewy. Can't quite describe the flavor, but need a little water. Let's try the second course, shall we? Just a little side note. 2 billion people in the world eat bugs, and I'm one of them. Because here we go. Have some mealworms. I'm telling you, I'd win Survivor. That is a fruity taste. I'd recommend it. Here we have. Oh, crickets. Oh, nothing. Oh, awesome. Like nothing you've ever tasted. Like a hairy nut. Don't. Oh my gosh, a nut from the shell.
Nasty bitch.
And now for dessert, the fried grasshopper. These are amazing. These are exquisite grasshoppers. I recommend them to anyone. Thank you for spending so much time with me and watching me eat bugs. Till next time.
See the hard part where you have the teeth?
Oh, wow.
Take the fangs out.
Yeah. Have you done this before?
Yeah. I think it's always been a part of the diet, the bugs, but then I think there is a truth to the survival during the war. Of course, people...
You just saw Nicole Kidman eating the insects, right? And she seems to enjoy it thoroughly, right? Now do you wonder why these people are doing this on TV show and why they are showing this to public? Yes, they are brainwashing you. They are preparing you for upcoming food crisis because they know the food crisis is going to take place. Now how is that? Because they are the ones who are planning it. Let me show you how they are planning it.
The global food shortages, the collapsing supply chains. We warned you about the climate crisis, and now you reap what you have sown. But there is still hope. Thanks again to science, we have a solution. Insects, a sustainable, equitable, and nutritious source of protein, or a fraction of the carbon footprint of livestock. We can finally put an end to the wasteful and cruel practice of meat eating for good. So let's turn this crisis into an opportunity to bring equality to our food systems, to mandate social and cultural change. Be a net zero hero. Eat the bugs.
And cut.
So have you wondered why Bill Gates is buying land, massive land all over the world? Yes, you guessed it right, because he is the one mastermind behind this. So the purpose of this video is to make you aware of what they are going to do with us in future and how they are preparing you beforehand, because if suddenly something happens, they are also not equipped to handle the crisis. So they first prepare our mind by showing us those things through the media, through TV, through newspapers, TikTok and all, so that we are mentally prepared. And once we are going through such situation, then we beforehand know what are the only options left with us, and we easily, without any outer force, we volunteer for that. This is what they had been doing with us since ages, and we didn't even know. So if you want more and more people to know about this, those who don't know but they should know, then do me a favor, share this video with them, because awareness is power. I hope this video helps. If you still have any question, queries, doubts, do let me know in comment section below. I'll get back to you with the answers. I'll see you next time. Till then, stay happy, stay healthy, stay fit, stay in high vibes, and remember, let your consciousness fly high, because the sky is to fly. Namaste.
Fear is the path to the dark side. The fear of change, of progress. Luke, to defeat the Sith, eat the bugs, you must.